What's up, YouTube? Today we're taking you on a ride in the Southwest Missouri Ozarks. You're gonna see old Route 66 gas stations, an old homestead, an old mill, and we're gonna end the day at Seven Seas Winery. Russell was founded in 1903. The community water pump was installed shortly thereafter in the middle of Main Street. Bowers Mill Bridge was built in 1898 and crossed the Spring River just north of Russell, Missouri.
This is the Phelps School House just off of Route 66, and it was built in 1888.
The Phelps School House is one of the last one-room schoolhouses still standing in the area. It served as a school until 1952. It currently serves as a community center. Well, we wanted to take you inside to see the Phelps School House, but unfortunately the doors are locked up. So the next stop is going to be the Dilday Mill, just north of Miller. We're at the Dilday Mill, which is just north of Miller, Missouri, and then go east on Highway K. Dilday Mill, also known as Finley Mill, was built in 1867 and was a water-powered grist mill standing 2 stories above ground level and 3 stories above Turnback Creek. It's a pretty good place to cast a line or take a swim. Boone Homestead is located 2 miles north of Ash Grove and was built in 1837 by Nathan Boone, the youngest child of Daniel Boone. The saddlebag-style home gives visitors a look into what life was like in the early 1800s.
That great oak back there behind Brian. Stories it could tell. Hand carved. What a place to call home.
There are fishing, hiking, and picnic areas available at the site, and it would make for a great day trip. Seven Seas Winery is located 1.8 miles north of Walnut Grove, Missouri, just off of Highway 123. Seven Seas Winery is one of the few wineries that produce mead, which is wine made from honey, and we're ready to give it a try.
Bill won Poppy's. He had a food truck and he opened a restaurant there.
Seven Seas has cold bottles of wine and mead, as well as a few select beers available. They've won several different awards for their wine production.
So I'm not sure he's figured that out.
Their motto is drink what you like and like what you drink.
Looks like we're changed Mexican, or Chinese or something.
We had a chance to visit with Dwight, and he's going to give you a description of their mead produced here at Seven Seas.
Yes. And one of the items we carry a lot of here at the Seven Seas Winery is mead. Mead is wine made from honey, and we do it in traditional wine style. And it was real popular back in the ancient Viking days and ancient times. It's one of the oldest known drinks in the Middle Ages especially. And in fact, it's where the term honeymoon comes from. Because back in the Middle Ages, they would give a new married couple a moon's worth or month of honey wine to ensure offspring. Hence the term honeymoon. So we carry a lot of meads out here. We have several more pending, and it's a good percentage of our business.
The owner, Dwight, is very friendly, and his covered patio makes a great place to kick back and enjoy a glass of wine. Our last stop for the day is a recreation of a Sinclair gas station made by Gary Turner in the early 2000s. The original station was built in 1930 by Gay and Fred Mason. The original station burned down in 1955. Bunch of little Sinclair dinosaurs. Everywhere you look on the property steps you back to the 1930s, when filling up your car was an experience in itself. I wonder if American Pickers knows this place is here. What's your favorite thing so far? Let's go in the gift shop, look around. The gift shop has several different Route 66 souvenirs to pick from.
My favorite is this truck. Here's the old garage that Gary used to work in. A truck named Larry over here. An old Sinclair gas pump. The nostalgia is just wonderful. Takes you back in time. 1928 International 6-speed special. beautiful. Gary's Service Center. All the pop bottles in there.
All kinds of old oil cans over there. Old Frank with American Pickers would be jealous. There's so much to see in this old garage that it's almost overwhelming. The old Ford pickup truck and the carousel and the oil cans and the porcelain signs, just to name a few.
There's a better view of the garage filling station.
Go on up there and grab you something cool to drink or whatever.
Oh, thank you. That was George, the caretaker, telling me to get a drink. Love this little area. Oh, isn't that cool?
Our scenic backroad ride in the Southwest Missouri Ozarks was fantastic. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Bitrestless Adventures. Please give us a like and a comment below, and please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.